take a breath, you drive away. I knew it would happen one day, but it's hard to say goodbye every time. I guess I could have changed, I guess I always knew the ship was sinking. Guess we're tired of thinking how to solve the endless problems between us. I miss the leaves as they fall to the ground. Miss the silence when there's too much sound. I miss you lying next to me, and our memories, but I'll never forget what you did to me. It cut so deep, it stung so bad, and you didn't dare to turn back. I was dying, oh dying, and you just kept walking away. Oh, you hit me with lightning from your heart, guns are brewing from the start, and you left. Don't you dare come crawling back to me. You take a breath, you drive away. I knew it would happen one day, but it's so hard to say goodbye every time. I feel your heartbeat as you look into my eyes. I feel the tears as I realize I'm stuck in an abandoned romance. Feel the petals falling off the roses, and everybody knows it's about to die. I was wishing on shooting stars, guess my wishes never went that far. But everybody knows it's the end of the road. I can finally see what you mean to me, and I just can't let that go. But all you know is that it's over, an abandoned romance. I take a breath, you drive away. I knew it would happen one day, but it's